Hey, this is Charles Draven, and thanks for checking out my Ultimate Lead Magnet System review. So what I'm going to do here is provide you with my insights, my personal feedback on this system developed by Kevin Fahey. And I come from a background of having over 10 years of experience online, building online businesses using a wide variety of organic and paid strategies. So let's go ahead and dive into this. What is this all about? This system that Kevin has put together, it will help you with the whole process of building your email list the simple way and profit super big time. So what he does is that he gives you his pre-built funnels, his traffic strategies, and monetization tools. And just about anyone can get started with this to make some great money online. How does it work? You go ahead and sign up. You get to select a niche, launch one of his pre-built funnels. You get 10 of them and start driving traffic. And if you go through the link that I'm going to offer at the end, you'll get access to the free Traffic Shotgun 2.0 bonus that will help you get a load of traffic, meaning that you get a whole bunch of people that are interested in your offer to see your landing page, and then you could start your business building money online through affiliate marketing. Here are the features and benefits. You get 10 ready-made funnels, you get the landing pages and lead magnets. These are all professionally done for you. That can save you tons of time and effort. And then, of course, you get the traffic strategies I mentioned. And then you might be wondering what are the good things and bad things about it, the pros and cons. So this will save you a lot of time and money. If you are not technical, you'll be able to build up a business using his content. He's created all the assets for you. However, you have to realize that you have to put some effort into it. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You will not get money overnight. He's not going to do the business for you. He's done a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And so with some determination, you could build wealth over time. So who is it for? It's for people that just want a very simple solution. Again, he's built up the content for you. He's built the funnels. He's done a lot of the technical work for you. Also, it's not just about technical work. He has extreme copywriting skills, which means that once people go to your webpage, he will do the selling for you through his strategies, his marketing strategies. Again, he's created his sales funnels for you, and so you don't have to do the selling. So that's a huge benefit for you. All you have to do is send traffic. And this is a rock solid system for building email lists and generating income. It's the same strategies that 7- and 8-figure marketers use to build their businesses online. But again, this is a very affordable system that is done for you. You just need to market your business, send traffic to these landing pages, and it's a very practical and accessible approach to build money online. And again, if you go through my link, my info spike link in the description, you'll be able to get the bonus that I mentioned, plus my AI training and tools. So that is a special bonus that I'm providing you. Just go ahead and click on the link in my description. If you are watching on YouTube, you'll see the link near the top. And then if you're checking this out through my blog, I'll also provide you with a link near the video. Go through that and you'll get access to my special bonus. That's all for today. Take care. This is Charles Draven. See you later.